This is Mufti Menk launching a new app called Simply Nikah.
150 million flowers. We will help you to find that one. Introducing the future of matrimony, built on the same core values we know and love, but ready for the new generation. But what does that mean? Meet the artificially intelligent Wali, your messaging companion. An AI that learns your likes and dislikes so that your matches get smarter. Everyone's identity is verified, including their images. All your data is protected for peace of mind. Your journey is beautiful, special, and we understand that. So we've made questions just as unique, including a feature to lock your profile in case you'd like to develop a connection with one particular person. We are Sharia compliant and focus solely on marriage, no dating. And I truly believe that this app will help you in that journey, inshallah. Simply Nikah, your pathway to love, trust and happiness.
This app will solely be used for marriage purposes. It is not a dating app, but rather an app where people can meet their match for marriage. But after the video or the commercial went viral, a lot of people have been saying things about Mufti Menk and the app that actually needs explanation. And where exactly do you get all this explanation from? This channel, of course. So stay tuned and don't go far. See, brothers and sisters in Islam, Mufti Menk is always trending because there are a group of people that actually disagree with his method of doing dawah, and that is their problem. Well, I'm not endorsing him because I can't do that, but I actually listen to Mufti Menk because he's a scholar who actually wants the best from us. In recent days, Mufti Menk actually launched his version of the Quran translation, and this got him trending in the Islamic newsfeed for some time. Some people actually said it was a bad idea from him. Some also said it was not necessary for him to do that. Some even called him a shaitan. But don't get too attached into this matter yet, because I am going to digest it in a very different video next time. So this is the opportunity for you not to miss this particular video, and subscribe to this channel will be simple. I know Islam has always been strict on haram relationships if it is not leading to marriage. But what if I tell you that there is an app that will actually help you to get your soulmate, and this app is called Simply Nikah. It is an app that has been endorsed by Mufti Menk, and it has been in the system for quite some time now. But the interesting thing is that people are not receiving it very well because they think it is a dating app, which is wrong. Simply Nikah is an app which is created purposely for marriage. So when you meet a lady on that app and both of you like each other, the next thing that you are going to do is to marry. And I know it is an app where people can chit-chat and know each other. So technically, it is more like a dating app in a certain sense, but then it is for the best. See, brothers and sisters in Islam, Mufti Menk is not trying to bring chaos in the ummah. And the intentions behind the building of this app is not what you are all thinking. The core values of this app is to make two people get married and to actually help reduce zina in the society, and yes, of course, to help avoid marital problems between parents and their children. So get me right here, I am not saying it is good to actually use the app, but what I'm saying is that the app has been created for good. These are two different things. So it is now upon the users that are going to be on the app to actually apply the behavior on the app. And I really believe that will be done because the messages that will be sent through the app will be supervised by an AI wali, which has been trained to make sure that everything that passes through is based on the teachings of the Prophet and the Quran. At least that is what they are saying from their website. So the insult that people are actually sending to Mufti Menk is not necessary. And he is a human being and he would definitely make some mistakes. But then after the mistake, it doesn't mean we should actually go to him with insults, because it is not a good thing or a good behavior of a believer. And of course, the Islamic way of meeting a lady for marriage is when you see her, you go to her parents' house, you ask them, and then they ask her. If she agrees, both of you come to marry. And if she doesn't, you move on to the next person. This has been the Islamic way of actually getting married in Islam, no around relationships or whatsoever. But we are not doing this, including myself. We've all disregarded the truth because we are thinking it is a new generation and a new way of living has been brought out. And this is not the thinking of a believer. So, my brother and my sister in Islam, I know I'm not endorsing the app because there are people who actually use the app for bad. But then again, we need to think twice about why the app was created, how the app is going to work, and what the app is going to do. Until we know all this, I'm not blaming anybody and I'll stay with the fact. And the fact is, marrying using the ways and the method of the Prophet, peace be upon him, is the best way. And for those of you, if you see anything bad on the internet, you quickly start judging people without making research about that particular thing, then you are doing harm to yourself and to other people. Because to talk about something or someone without actually knowing exactly what the person or that thing is about means you are lost. And a lot of you guys actually doing that to Mufti Menk. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for all of us. In the meantime, we cannot talk much more about this information without doing more research. So, I'm going to create a detailed video about this app and how it functions so that we all know exactly what's there for the Ummah. But if you have already started using the app, this is the opportunity for you to tell us your experiences in the comment section below, and also rate the app over 10 so that we all know whether it will have a good ratings or not. Brothers and sisters in Islam, this is a religion that has been completed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nothing can be added to this religion, but we can actually provide ways and methods that will actually make easy for us to follow the rule of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if that happens, does that also go against the teachings of the Prophet and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? We are going to talk about this in our very next video. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content when we produce them. If you want more process this video, consider liking this video. And if you have a question or a suggestion, ask a Muslim or leave it down in the comment section below. With this, I say to you, brothers and sisters in Islam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive you. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will guide you. So pray to Him, for He said in the Quran, Udu'uni astajib lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.